Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner on today. I also had a protein shake on today, so this is going to be a pretty long video. So make sure that you strap yourself in and continue watching.
Standing right here. I know that I told you.
Today we are starting off with the most important meal of the day, and that is breakfast. Today for breakfast I had some avocado toast, some eggs, and I also had some ham. Now this was pretty good, you guys. The ham was oven baked and it was absolutely delicious. On days when I go to the gym, I love to consume this because eggs are of course a fantastic source of protein. So whenever I'm going to the gym, I always love to have some form of eggs before I leave in order to have something on my stomach and also in order to get a better workout in. And as we all know, avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats. These fats will help you to gain mass on your buttocks and reduce bad cholesterol in your body. They contain a lot of vitamins, potassium, fiber, and amino acids, all of which can help you to get a bigger and better bum. So if anyone ever asks why you love consuming avocados so much, let them know, honey, they help you to get a fantastic, voluptuous bum, especially while you're in the gym. And for my toast on today, I am using wheat bread. Now, if you guys do not know anything about wheat, number one, it helps to provide energy. It also helps you to be able to control your weight a little bit better. The fiber found in many carbohydrates helps you to feel full, so throughout the day you won't be overeating. And it also helps to protect against some diseases, such as cardiovascular disease. So you guys, this is a great wholesome meal to have before going into the gym. It made me feel very full, and also, you guys, I had a fantastic workout on this day. Now, a lot of people always say, hey, Maddie, you go a little bit too heavy with the butter. To each their own. Just do what works for you, okay? Typically, whenever I make these videos, I'm cooking for two, so I'm not just cooking for me. So I end up adding in a lot of eggs and things like that. But I do whatever floats my boat. Now, if I'm using too much butter for you, reduce it to what works for you. I think that would be simple. But for those of you guys that want to question what I do, just do what works for you, okay?
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better.
So now it is time for lunch, and for lunch I did not have an actual meal. I ended up having a whey protein shake for lunch, so make sure that you check out the description box for a full list of all the items used within this shake. And you guys, this was absolutely delicious. I love to have a shake whenever I leave the gym, whether it be from some type of restaurant while I'm out or whether it is from my own home. I just love to have something, okay, in order to make sure that I'm getting the best results from whatever workout I had for that day. So these are a few of the items that I'm going to be using on today in order to make this shake. And I'm using my Ninja blender, of course, which I use in all of these videos. So make sure that you guys check that out down below, because this is the blender that you want, okay? So I started off by adding in some Greek yogurt. Now, for those of you guys that do not know, Greek yogurt is great for building muscle. It is a protein-rich food that can help with building muscle mass. Research shows that a high-protein diet can help to increase muscle mass in people doing resistance training. So right about now, your girl is doing a lot of that. I also ended up adding in about 8 ounces of almond milk. Now it is time for the pineapples. I will be using frozen pineapple chunks. Now, pineapples are a great snack for after a workout. They have very simple sugar content and they are quickly metabolized to replace your depleted muscle glycogen stores, the stored energy in your muscles. Now, this helps to aid in recovery and prepares you for your next workout. And last but not least, I'm adding in some whey protein, which if you find yourself interested in the specific whey protein that I'm using, please don't hesitate to check out the description box. The sooner you can consume whey protein following your workout, the better, because as we all know, whey protein pushes you forward in getting better and faster gains. Definitely check out the whey protein that I'm using down below. And now it is time to blend up that smoothie and get ready to drink it. By the way, you guys, this was absolutely delicious. Let me know down below if you are going to be trying this out. And now it is time for dinner. Now for dinner on tonight, I decided to have some bacon wraps, which you guys were absolutely amazing. Now, if you are someone who does not eat bacon, definitely opt it out for something like turkey bacon or whatever you'd like to have. You can even just leave the meat completely off, which would be a little bit bland, but to each their own, okay? So I'm not encouraging anyone to eat meat. I'm only sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. So this is what I ate and what I enjoyed, okay? Let me put the emphasis on I. Nonetheless, you guys, this was extremely delicious and very, very simple to make. So my mom ended up making this, and first and foremost, we are going to be slicing up some tomatoes. Now, tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. And I love me some tomatoes. So we are starting off by adding that in. after the tomatoes are all sliced up, we are moving on to the next ingredient, which is red onions. Now, onions are rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful plant pigments that may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, and diabetes. I love me some onions, okay? Now, you want to make sure that your breath is nice and minty after eating these, okay? So make sure to get in there good and brush those teeth good after. But you guys, they are fantastic when you are consuming your meals, and as we all know, onions are great for you, okay? And since my mom is doing all of the work on this half of the video, make sure that you guys head over to her channel and show her some love and let her know that our baby girl Maddie sent you over there. And today, in order to place all of these fantastic ingredients, we will be using flour tortillas. I hope that I'm saying that right, because I always want to say tortillas and also tortillas, but I think tortillas is the right way. Anyway, feel free to correct your girl down below. But you guys, we are simply going to load these up with all these great ingredients that were just sliced and diced, and she will also be adding a small dab of mayonnaise on the side, and voila, you have yourself some fantastic wraps. Now let me know down below if you guys will be trying out anything in this video. This is what I ate on today. This is not what I eat every day, of course, but it was absolutely delicious and your girl definitely enjoyed it. Also, that shake was off of the chain, honey. It hit the spot right after the gym, so I hope that you guys try that out as well. But you guys, we're all about improving our bodies. My biggest thing is consuming mostly home cooked foods, because I've realized that whenever I eat out, it tends to make me feel pretty sluggish. So I have learned very fast to mostly eat at home, and you will feel better, you will have more energy, and you will also be getting all of the vitamins and different things like that that you typically need during the day in and day out process of life. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you're still watching, comment down below I watched to the end, because I want to know who is supporting the channel. And yes, I did say to the end, so make sure that it's exact, honey, okay? And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. We are on the road to 31K, so if you could hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.